Worldwide Fishing with Phil, day 3. We're gonna get some nice fish today. We're on the Incognito. Time to start fishing. We're at Corpatania. Got a lot of good marks on the meter here, a lot of fish here. Let's catch some bait.
Hey, big boy.
¿Cómo estás, big boy? You gonna get a big one today? Well, let's get some bait. There seems to be some here. But I think we're gonna give you competition today, brother. All righty. Good luck. Get some bait. See you at the weigh-in. Okay, I'm here. We got 3. All right, Danny's getting some nice ceviche made up for us. Shrimp, something new. Haven't had too much of that out here. Usually we use fish. But what we're gonna do here is he's got tomatoes, onions, all kinds of stuff, and some nice secret spices that he's gonna put in. And then we're gonna have a feast. That's what we're talking about. The Danny Special. The tournament's over. We're heading into the docks right now. We didn't get what we wanted today, but we had a great time. And I would like to thank the owner, Randy. Thank you for having us on board. I sure appreciate it. Well, this is one of the finest boats I've ever been on, to be honest with you. I mean, it's fast, it's efficient, you got all the stuff to make it work, top gear. And you brought in a captain from Cabo.
Better luck next time.
All right, you heard it here, folks. We've got the winning fish. Great day. Animal House is the winner on the Marlin and Tuna tournament here today. This is the Worldwide Fishing with Phil show. All right, this is the Picositas 2 with Torta here. My good Capitan I've known for about 18 years here. He got the tuna, didn't you?
Yeah.
How big was that?
108.8 grams, 80 grams.
Ooh, kilos.
Kilos.
All right, so that was about a 208-pound tuna. So you got first place?
Yes, first place.
Congratulations, brother.
And La Chora in second.
Is that right?
Yeah.
His brother is named Chora. He took second place. So this was a family tournament this week, guys. It was a great day. We watched him out there fishing today. He got some nice tuna yesterday, had some nice hookups today, and he's going to walk away with a big purse.
Yeah.
Congratulations, Torta. Felicidades, brother. This is the winner of the second place tuna.
Tuna, second place.
Second place. And he has the record
of the Marlin and the third place of Dorado today.
My friend.
And the 2 pollos of tuna.
Congratulations. This is one happy man. I don't have to ask you this one. Are you going to be in the next tournament?
Maybe.
Medico. Congratulations, brother.
You,
we're going to be having our eye on you, and maybe one of these days we can do a show with you. Worldwide Fishing with Phil show. We're here at the Marival. We're at the tournament awards night. This is day 3. We're going in. We're going to be interviewing a lot of people. We're going to be seeing the people that are winning the prize.